Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get discounts on Udemy. Actually, Udemy has a huge discount going on right now as well. If I come to the homepage, let me show you what kind of prices we're looking at. So you want to buy when you have the special promotions going on. Okay, once this loads up, I'll show you what kind of promotion they have. Let's go here. They have a huge sale going on. Courses are starting at just $9.99. Some of these courses, guys, go over $100. This one is about $75. You're getting it at very, very cheap prices, and some of them even have certifications. So look out for those. So if you want specific courses, you can come here. Let's say you want the courses in finance and accounting. Let's do investing and trading. Let's do this one. We're going to see some really good courses at a huge discount. And you can keep looking here on their website. You'll find many courses going on a discount. Okay, now here the prices are going to load up. As you can see, $9.99, $9.99. This one as well. This one is usually about $35. Now, what you can also do is come here on Google and search up coupon follow Udemy. They usually have a lot of coupons for Udemy, and they update it every single day. This one is verified, working 5 hours ago. So you just click on show coupon code right here. And there we go. You can just copy this, come to Udemy. Let's say you wanted to buy this one, right? You add this to your cart. Let's go to my cart. All right, we're going to go through this purchase process. I'll show you where to add these coupon codes. So here you are able to apply promotions. So you can see this one has already been applied right here. So you just paste in coupons and click on apply. And it's really that easy and